Hey guys, so today I'm doing a quick video, really quick. I'm just gonna install some trits into my X0s by Woobin. So I brought the whole family along. We have the X2, but this is of course custom with Nichia 519As. The X1, which of course is custom with 70.3s. And the T1, which is not custom, but as soon as I can finally get this this bezel off, I'm gonna put an SFT40 in here. And this thing is a monster with an SFT40. All right, so I ordered these ones from, let me turn off the lights. I ordered these from Tritium keychains. Turn off my garage light as well. Be right back. So I ordered these from Tritium keychains, and they got here like in 5 days, I think, maybe 4. That's crazy fast from Singapore, but they're beautiful. And I just ordered 20 more from Mixglow, but I'm gonna put these in my Exos. I'm super excited to do it. So I've heard of people using resin, and I used to work on windshields in the auto glass industry, so I would do chip repairs, and we used Delta resin, and I have some extra, so I figured I'm gonna try that. So I also ordered this stuff, E6000. I saw Tim McMahon use this stuff, and so I ordered it, but I honestly want to try this. Because this is like instant cure. You don't need to wait 24 hours like you do with the E6000. I got it. All right, so to apply this, like it kind of has like a little fat applicator head, so I'm gonna put a few drops in one of these bottles. Well, I'll just put the rest because this bottle's almost empty from back when I used to do windshields, which was a very long time ago. All right. So the reason that I'm taking it out of here and putting it in here is because with these little bottles, I have these little applicator tips. I'm gonna grab one of these. And this should make it much easier for me to get the resin into the little slots on these Exos. All right, so that's only a couple drops of resin. And luckily, like, yeah, this fits perfectly in here. I can get this right in here. And then I have like a 30-watt UV light to cure it. And this stuff, once it cures, it's super strong. All right, so now that I have more resin in here, let's try this out. I guess I'm gonna try on my black Exo first, in case I screw this up. Whoop, put a lot of resin on there. Accidentally. I think I'll just do this one at a time. Oh, and it does state, so when you do this, it says to push with like a softer edge. Look at that. Man, that's cool. I mean, it literally just like falls right in. I mean, before I even cure it, I'm gonna want to clean this resin off the edge. And luckily, I think it'll be pretty easy to clean off. Yeah, look at that. And these things glow. Oh, wheat under a black light. Holy crap, I had no idea. All right, I'll show you the results in a minute. All right, so my trial was a success. I used this acrylic resin, for windshield repair, and I doubt these are gonna come out because this stuff is super tough once you cure it with UV light. So now I'm gonna insert them in my titanium XO. And this is only the beginning of the tritium tubes that I'm gonna be putting in this thing, because I have yellow, I have white, I have blue, I have all sorts of colors coming. And those are all going in this flashlight because, this is my forever light. All right. Put that in there. So I put them in and then I wipe it just with a towel. There's excess right there. That's okay. So then from here, I grab my handheld light, and it is super hot from curing my black XO. And then I just put it on here and let it sit. And then I'll show you the results. Hey guys, so thanks for watching. If you need any help, like on how to insert a tritium tube into your flashlight, just message me. I'm happy to help. I will link the resin that I used down below, and then I'll also link the E6000 stuff, as that is much cheaper. But I mean, these things look so cool. And the black light makes them pop. You don't need the black light. As you can see, and there's a light on in my garage and they're still glowing like that. And another thing I wanted to show you was, look at these LEDs. So the Nichias are this peach color. This one's an SFT40. I think that's a P9. That's a SFQ65. And then there's a D-domed Nichia. Look at how cool they look. Hey, but thanks for watching. And I'm gonna be putting in quite a few more trits. Oh, and I also put one in my DF01, as it does work now. And I mean, I still like the light, I just hate the customer service. But I'm not gonna focus on that light ever again in my videos. I will focus on these Woven XOs. But good luck, guys, and stay bright out there. Remember to subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks for watching.